So, you're thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure that you're going to get the absolute very best return on your investment? These tips should help. I know selling homes is second nature to me, as I've been doing it for 12 years, but I still get nervous Nelly sellers all the time, and of course they should be. Selling your Canton area home and moving up to your dream home is a huge deal. As your lifestyle expands, so does your need for space. Let's talk about one of the easy things first, curb appeal. It's important as it's the first impression that your buyer will see when they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is rent a power washer, or better yet, have someone come and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, off your sidewalk, and off your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for us to open up the lockbox, and this gives buyers a chance to really look at your entry while they're waiting to get in. Take a minute and make sure that there isn't any peeling paint off the doors or cobwebs around the light. Next, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyers agents said that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features of your home to your buyers. Also, researchers say that professionally staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not staged. And the good news is, here at Lelak Real Estate Team, we actually include light staging as a part of our services. Also, the marketing is essential. You're going to want to make sure you get professional photos and a professional video. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they see online. So you basically sell your home once online, and then you sell it a second time when the buyer walks through your home. So professional photos and video, including drone video, is an absolute must when preparing to sell your home. Lastly, now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving you much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice, if need be. A few things that you can do is just plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor fun activities. Also, find a place to put your beloved pets during showings if at all possible. Maybe let them visit a family or a good friend. Let them take care of them. These tips will help you get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. It is my goal to ensure that you achieve the highest possible return on your investment and that you feel comfortable along the way. For more information, feel free to call us here at Lelak Real Estate Team, here at eXp Realty. We are your Canton, Georgia 30115 and 30114 and Milton 3004 Cherokee County real estate community market leaders. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do. I can't wait to talk with you.